Let's see how to insert weather symbols in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say that you want to insert weather symbols into your document and print these symbols to post them. Now, what you can do is click on the Insert tab, and right here, click on Icons, and this window should pop out where you can search your icon. Now let's go ahead and search for weather icons. And as you can see, here are now our weather icons that Microsoft Word has for us. So let's say you want to insert a rainy weather icon or a cloudy weather icon, or let's say windy or even sunny. And as you can see, Microsoft Word has a lot of different options for you to insert your icon depending on what you want. And to insert it into your document, simply click on Insert, and there you go. Your icons are now within your document as shapes and pictures. And as you can see, you can manually resize these icons or even change their color. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.